Oh, look at that. Look at that. Acceleration off the line. Not even close. Yeah, real close. Okay. I've done this a few times already. Alright, YouTuber Zewski Films here. Today we are out on a ride with the Honda Forza 300. And today's mission is to check the maximum speed that we get on this Forza. I am 6'2", about 100 kilos, 220 plus or minus. My wife will say plus pounds. So really the goal is just to see how fast I can get this puppy to go. Alright, little dirt road. Let's see how we do here. Yeah, so we're going to be going on the expressway. So the idea is just to see how fast we can push this Honda Forza. Today is June 20th, I believe, 2020. It's a scorcher. It's about 90 degrees out here. And I did this before. This road is closed as well. This road's closed too. Son of a. And we're gonna be going east towards Grand Rapids. All right, here we go. There it is. All right, 50 miles per hour, 6,000 RPM. See what this puppy can do. $70 miles per hour, and we are doing about 7,500 RPM. Okay, 80 miles per hour, 8,000 RPM. 85 miles, 84. And now we're running into traffic, but there's just too much traffic, so I'm going to back off a little bit, give myself some room. So the Forza does 70 quite comfortably. This interstate speed limit here is 70 miles per hour. As you get up further north, it turns into 75 mile per hour speed limit, but here it's a little bit more congested, so we have a lower speed limit. But all right, we're going uphill, so I'm going to wait. All right, let's give it a shot. 75 miles per hour. 80 miles per hour, and we're doing 8,000 RPM. I've got the I've got the gas all the way open. 84 miles per hour, about 8,400 RPM. Can we hit 85? 85 miles per hour, 86 miles per hour, 86, about 87 miles per hour. We're 8,700 RPM. All right, got to back off because of traffic. Let's give it one more shot. So about 86, 87 miles per hour is the max. Let's see if we can get it, if we can hit 90. So the red line on the Forza 300 is 9,000 RPM. And I was just under that, but even though the red line is at 9,000, you don't, even if we're close but not at the red line, you don't want to keep it at that high RPM for too long a period. So we are going to give it about a minute and try one more time. Okay, we're doing about 70, 75. We're on the incline. I'm hoping as we come over this crest here, we'll have the help of gravity. All right, got it wide open on the gas. 80 miles per hour, 8,000 RPM. Miles per hour. Got the gas wide open. 84 miles per hour. Miles per hour. 86. We're at about 8,600 RPM. 87. All right, I'm going to move into the left lane. Come on, we got to hit 90. 88. Come on, 88 miles per hour. Right about 8,700 RPM. All right, 88 miles per hour. I think that's the best we're gonna do. All right, we're gonna get off at this next stop here. So 88 miles per hour. It's the best we can do today. So yeah, I'm pretty confident that if we were on a decline for an extended distance, we'd be able to hit 90 miles per hour with the help of gravity. But again, not bad for the Honda Forza. This is a 2015. Folks, I hope you oh, nice bike. Oh, a Beamer. I think that was a single R. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Acceleration off the line. Not even close. Alright folks, I'm going to leave it off here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please click the like button. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I would certainly appreciate that. And if you want to see any other Honda Forza videos, please let me know in the comments below. And I will do my best to put one together for you. Peace out!